Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying you have admin or editor access. This matters because only those roles can add widgets. Once confirmed, open the target page in Widgetable and select Add Widget to start. This first step maps where the widget will live. Make sure you have the widget ID, the data source URL, and the dimensions like 300 x 250 ready. Doing this prevents interruptions, and it speeds the workflow, so you can immediately paste settings instead of hunting for details. Next, pick the correct widget type. Chart for visuals, list for rows, or iframe for external content, because the type dictates available settings. After that, paste the data source URL and map fields so Widgetable knows which fields correspond to title, value, and timestamp. Set refresh to 60s or your preferred interval. Then tweak appearance. Set width, height, theme, and visibility rules. Once done, preview the widget to validate data mapping and layout before saving. To finish, save the widget and position it within the grid or layout, then load the live page and interact with it to confirm behavior. Make sure data updates as expected and watch for delayed refresh or empty panels. If the widget fails, open the browser console to check for CORS, 404, or script errors. These point to source or permission problems. If needed, revert to preview mode, correct field mapping or URLs, and then resave. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.